Hello everyone, I'm Recep, and welcome to the most exciting channel in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into the cryptocurrencies that could explode your wallet in 2026, the real gold mines of the future. That's right, in this video, I won't just give you coin names. I'll explain why they'll rise, how to build a balanced portfolio, and exactly when to buy. In 2025, Bitcoin surged toward $124,000, while altcoins skyrocketed by up to 500%. So the real question is, what's next for 2026? That's exactly what we're here to find out. If you watch this video until the end, you won't just discover 5 powerful coins. You'll also learn how to balance your portfolio, avoid costly mistakes, and identify the next booming niches of 2026. And yes, I've got a bonus tip just for you, one that might very well be your ticket to becoming a millionaire. So, are you ready? Let's get started. But first, make sure to smash that like button so YouTube's algorithm shares this video with every crypto enthusiast out there. And don't forget to comment "I'll win in 2026" down below. First of all, why 2026? Because the crypto market is standing on the brink of a revolution. According to Google's 2025 trend report, the crypto space is racing toward a $5 trillion market cap, fueled by ETFs, institutional investments, and AI integration. But this isn't gambling, it's a game of strategy. I'm not here to throw random coins at you. My picks are based on 2025 data, focusing on high liquidity, strong teams, real-world utility, and at least 20x growth potential. I'll break down each coin one by one, compare their strengths and weaknesses, and give you 6 golden tips to guide your investments. And remember, DYOR, do your own research. Now, let's dive right into our first coin. First on the list, of course, the king itself, Bitcoin BTC. Why will it still make profits in 2026? Because Bitcoin is no longer just a cryptocurrency, it's digital gold. In 2025, spot ETFs saw over $100 billion in inflows, with giants like BlackRock and Fidelity taking their share of the pie. After the halving event in April 2024, Bitcoin's scarcity increased, and that's exactly what's been driving its price upward. Forecasts: by the end of 2026, we could see $200,000, maybe even $250,000 per Bitcoin. Its niche? The tokenization revolution. In 2026, real estate, stocks, and even art pieces will be tokenized on the Bitcoin blockchain. That's going to explode liquidity. Imagine buying a share of a house using BTC. Comparison: compared to Ethereum, Bitcoin is less volatile and serves as a safe haven for beginners. Downside: short-term jumps aren't as massive as those of altcoins. A quick story: last year, a friend of mine bought 0.1 BTC at $50,000 back in 2024. Today, that investment is worth $12,000. What will it be in 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tip number 1. Allocate 40% of your portfolio to BTC, and HODL. Long-term gains are as close to guaranteed as it gets. So, what do you think? Bitcoin or altcoins will bring the bigger profits? We'll get back to that question soon. Now, let's talk about the center of smart money, Ethereum ETH. Why is it the star of 2026? Because Ethereum remains the heart of DeFi and NFTs. In 2025, the Fusaka hard fork and layer to solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism nearly brought transaction fees down to 0. The result: DeFi volume is racing toward $1 trillion. Its niche: AI-driven DeFi. In 2026, artificial intelligence is automating portfolio management. For example, AI-based yield farming bots are delivering up to 50% higher returns. Forecast: ETH could surge to $10,000, maybe even $15,000. Comparison: safer than Solana, but a bit slower. Thankfully, layer to south are closing that gap fast. Story time. One of my viewers bought one ETH at $2,000 back in 2023. Today, it's worth $4,000, and thanks to staking, they're earning about 6% passive income annually. Sounds smart, right? Tip number 2, stake your ETH. On decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and Aave, you can earn 5 to 7% yearly returns. But be careful. Always monitor gas fees. Engagement question. What do you think about Ethereum's future? Type ETH forever in the comments. Let's see who's bullish. Oh, and don't forget to share this video. Get your friends on this train before it leaves the station. Now it's time for the king of speed, Solana Sol. Why is it set to explode in 2026? Because Solana, handling 65,000 transactions per second, is the Ferrari of blockchain. In 2025, the meme coin market hit $10 billion, and Solana captured over 60% of that volume. Its niche? Real-time dApps and gaming. With the Firedancer upgrade, network outages are now history, and even institutional investors are starting to trust Solana. Forecast: by 2026, Sol could soar to $500, maybe even $700. Why? Because Solana is the perfect ecosystem for NFT games and metaverse projects. Comparison, it's 10 times faster than Ethereum, but it's been criticized for centralization, something Firedancer aims to fix. Story time. One of my followers bought 10 Sol at $100 back in 2024. Today, that investment is worth $2,000. Tip number 3. Keep an eye on small meme coins in the Solana ecosystem, like Bonk or WIF, but only risk around 10% of your portfolio there. Question: do you think Solana will surpass Ethereum? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button. The algorithm loves us for it. Fourth on our list, the conqueror of borders, XRP. Ripple's SEC lawsuit finally ended in 2025, with a $125 million fine paid. And now, banks are embracing XRP like never before. Why will it profit in 2026? Because cross-border payments represent a $10 trillion market, and XRP is the undisputed king of that space. Its niche, tokenized finance bridge. In 2026, stocks, commodities, and real estate are being tokenized on the XRP ledger. Even Visa and MasterCard are integrating with stablecoins, and XRP could capture up to 40% market share. Forecast? XRP could climb to $5, $10 per coin. Comparison: more practical than Bitcoin, but less explosive in speculative jumps. Story time. One of my viewers bought 1,000 XRP at 50 cents back in 2023. Today, that investment is worth $2,000. Could it hit $10,000 by 2026? Tip number 4. Get in early on new DeFi projects built on the XRP ledger. They offer low risk and high reward potential. Question: would you add XRP to your portfolio? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see what you think. Our final duo, the stars of the future, Chainlink and Superintelligence Alliance FET. Let's start with Chainlink, the king of oracles. It brings real-world data onto the blockchain, weather, stock prices, you name it. Why will it explode in 2026? Because as tokenized assets race toward $1 trillion, Chainlink becomes the backbone of every major DeFi project. Forecast: $100, maybe even $150 per link. Now for the real bombshell, Superintelligence Alliance, the merger of Singularity, Fetch.ai, and Ocean Protocol closing parentheses. Its niche. The AI blockchain fusion. By 2026, as the AI market hits $500 billion. These tokens will shine through data sharing and AI-driven DeFi. For example, Fetch.ai as automated risk bots can optimize your portfolio by up to 30%. Forecast: FET could reach $5, $10 with a 5,000% upside potential. Comparison: Link is the solid foundation for data, while FET pushes the limits of innovation. The story time. A friend of mine bought 100 FET at $1 in 2024. Today, that's worth $300. What will it be in 2026? The tip number 5. Allocate 20% of your portfolio to AI coins. Early adopters are the ones who win big. Question: Are AI cryptos overhyped, or are we witnessing a revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. All right, friends, let's wrap it up. Here's how to build your winning 2026 portfolio. 0.40% in BTC and ETH for a solid foundation. 0.30% in SOL and XRP for speed and scalability. And 30% in Link and FET to capture the future. But remember, crypto is volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor, so as always, DYOR, do your own research. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Now go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Next week, we're dropping a full guide, how to open a crypto wallet from zero, step by step. Comment your favorite coin below. Say something like "Sol is life." I want to see those replies. And don't forget to share this video to get your friends on board this train. Wishing you prosperity and profits in 2026. See you next time.